Welcome to NMAMIT YouTube channel. This is a Blender project on expanding holes animation. Let's start here. For the cut we have used a circle as a setter. Circle has set with various properties in its particle system. Then place the circle at bottom and type ease E3 and enter. Next type S1.6 and enter. Then type I and scale it down and enter. Then add solidify modifier and set thickness to 0.4. Then add subdivision surface modifier. Then select face select option. Select two faces as shown. Now extrude it. Then put hole in the cup handle. By selecting the mesh menu, select edges and then select bridge edge loops. Now select the material button and change Blender to cycles render. Then change to principled BSDF. Then set color by setting hex value to May 8, 2006 FE7. Then set the strength to 7000. Then render the image. Then from the screen layout menu, select compositing. Then change the properties to create and expand hole in the cup. Then from the screen layout menu, select default and render the animation. To save the animation as video, select the file format in the output section as AVI. Now click the animation button. After rendering, the project will be saved in the location you have mentioned in the output.